It is Saturday, the 14th day of September 2024, about 8:34 in the morning. I just want to show you this little waterfall here in the town of Elizabethton, Tennessee. A very nice little town. Got a lot more stuff in it than I thought, which has been here for a few minutes. And our target was not this waterfall. I didn't know this was here. But our target is this right here. That is the covered bridge of Elizabethton. It was built back in the 1800s, I do know that. It's no longer meant for car traffic, you can't hold it, but it is foot traffic. We'll be able to walk through it. So I wanted to capture this. I actually wanted to fly this, but it's a no-fly zone. So all I can bring you is this ground video, but this should be good enough. But you can see, that's a very nice bridge. So we'll get up closer to it and I'll show it to you there. Alright, now there's the bridge, covered bridge. From the other bridge point of view, we're looking at the waterfall. And of course, and then the bridge straight ahead of us. So it's a nice scene. You see those ducks swimming around on the dam over there. So they're having fun too. Here's what it looks like all the way down. A lot of rocks. Not too much water on this end. But I think overall, that's a very nice scene. Hope you enjoyed it. Here we are in front of the bridge. And we can walk across it. Caution, dismount bicycles before crossing bridge, so they don't want you doing that. But there it is, it's wholeness. And then there's an area down here where we can get down, get a side shot of it. So let's go do that before we go into it. Alright, so to show you, I came down these stairs here. Right there is the bridge. And if you look through, you can see the other bridge goes across the road down there. Got some nice ducky friends right here, probably looking to be fed. Quite a few of them, as you can see. One scratching. But that's the bridge scene. Pretty nice scene, huh? Let's go walk across this now. Alright, so now we're going to pick it up back here at the bridge again. Let's walk through it and take a look. In fact, you can see they've got a little walk area right there if you want to. And this is what they're calling the linear trail. I'll show you, that's what I'm walking on. See the water down there actually. So they got it concreted on either side. See right here, you can see my shadow on it. But I like walking on the wood better. There's the ceiling, they got it netted up there. So that's what that is. And boy, that daylight is bright, ain't it? Here, they got bars on the window there. And if I go to the opposite side, same thing. You see how it's built here on the side with these X beams here, both sides. And then we're just about to be out of it. And look there to the right, you'll see a purple house. And I see a sign that will give us the history. Let's go over here. 1A62 covered bridge. The bridge over Doe River was built early in 1882 at a cost to the country of $3,000 for the bridge, or the county for the $3,000 for the bridge, of $300 for approaches. The site was chosen by J.G. McCorkle, while the Christian H.M. Renfro. The committee was Thomas E. Matson, Engineer W.M. Folsom, J.C. Smith, Dr. James M. Cameron, J.M. Simmerly, Dr. E. Hunter, and contractor George Lindemoot, supervisor. So there you go. You want to know the history? But look, man, really nice house down there. This house right here is really nice. The purple one. So down through here are several nice houses. But anyway, you see the flower bushes over there. Just come back here to show you the whole bridge from this point of view. And so over there, it looks like a little gazebo. And just to show you some of these flowers. Look at how nice these are. That one's about eat up, but it's got a nice color to it. And then there's the street bridge down there, along with the river. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed this very short video. Very nice video though. I really like this bridge. Like I said, sorry I can't fly. There's no fly zone here, so can't do it. See you on the next one. I wanted to add this big house here. I'll add a couple others. Look at the size of this thing. Got a gigantic front door up there. Actually made of brick. It's a very light brick. I thought it was rock, but it's not. I like the shape of the whole roof up there. See, got a nice light right there. Nice big yard. And here, go along and show you the side over here. Right past this tree. See the little garage building back there. They have a Tesla back there. Then over here, this is the next door neighbor. Nice white picket fence. It's a gray house, but it's a light gray, so it's acceptable. Let's get past these things here. Alright, and look at the size of this. And I'm not sure what's up there on those roof tiles. I think those might be slate. A nice big porch on this thing, two-sided. A big brick walkway here, along with this white picket fence. Very nice. Chimney up there at the top. Some side steps over on this side. So in that sense, it's kind of a three-sided porch. I got a great big yard. Alright, and the next target I want to bring you is that purple house over there. And just to get your bearings, this is Hattie Avenue and the bridge that I showed you right there. So we'll just walk down this side. Plane up there in the sky. I guess that's part of why this is a no-fly zone, which I know it is, because there's an airport close by. And that's why I could not fly this. But this purple house, it has some very nice details on it. I'll get you closer as we'll cross the street here. I guess they're just lights. Little LED lights or something hanging off that porch. You see it's got a nice picket fence on it. Fountain out here in the yard. And a good decent porch and some really good work up there at the top with some fish scales. And if you see my housing stuff, you know that I really like the fish scales. And then last but not least is this house here. It has a big wagon up there on the porch. Interesting, a lot of brush. Got some really fine details on it though. So I do like that. But yeah, they got wagons. Look, they got this little pony out here with that little wagon. And then you see that big wagon up through that porch up there. And then there's a small one behind that bush back there. Not a bad place. Hope you enjoyed these. So as we come up to this gazebo here, check out that thing right there. And you see that smaller one, and that says in 1772 the first court west of the Alleghenies was held under this tree, placed by John Carter, chapter of DAR. And you see right there it says Elizabethton, walking toward 23. So that's just the stump of the tree that's left, but there it sits. So that tree is what, 250 years old at least. And actually would be a lot older than that, because it would have been that size apparently when they held that court there. So here, just get you the overall of it here, just so you can see the gazebo again right there. So that's what's there. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm still in Elizabethton, just right down from the bridge. And that sign over on that thing, I know you can't read it from here, but it says in honor of the veterans of all wars. That's what it looks like with all the wires. And I want to bring you around and get past these wires if we can. And I think we can. Let me just cross the street here. And there you go. And there's the Carter County Courthouse right over there. That's a very nice courthouse, is it not? And then over here, there's the whole thing. Got a heron or something there in the middle of it with those flowers. So yeah, and that sign right there says the exact same thing. So this is the better side to grasp here. And again, that courthouse is nothing to sneeze at. I like that. So I think Elizabethton is a very nice town. This is the first time I've ever been here. I do not believe this will be my last time, and we'll find out about that. But you see the sky? It's a mixed bag, but not supposed to rain today. All right, hope you enjoyed this.